How can one get involved in our project, and is it even possible? Of course, it is possible to get involved in the project, and since we are building a larger portfolio, we are interested in a greater number of projects. As of today, I think we have over 18 of them, and are we talking about February 2025? We also need to obtain resources from external investors so that we can purchase or acquire additional land, and so that we can participate in more projects. This means that we have technically come up with 3 ways to participate in our projects. The first is very simple. It is a bond that we issue where we guarantee or where we provide collateral for this bond with our most valuable projects so that it serves as sufficiently credible security for our investors. The second point is we invite investors to a kind of smaller partnership cooperation where they can invest, let's say, an amount starting from 50,000 euros, and the investor can have a share in the profit from a specific project or from a specific power plant. This means that we designate a specific project, we tell them where the panels that will be producing for them will be located, and based on that, we share the profit with them. And then the third option is a direct equity investment, where the investor or co-investor literally buys the land from us, as well as all the rights related to the specific power plant that will be built on that land, and thus receives income from the actual production. So the mechanics are relatively simple. We take care of everything. We develop the entire power plant, build it, and operate it. But since an investor came to us and provided the funds to make this process possible, as well as to develop and expand other projects, we share with them to some extent. But what's important is that he has his own private spot, or in other words, his own photovoltaic power plant, which generates resources for him and his family.